This is a pretty straightforward question. We are given a quadratic equation and we are asked to find the roots and also calculate the sum and product of roots. So the roots we are going to get from the formula again, which is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So that gives us, here in this case, a is 5, b is 8 and c is 1. So we have minus 8 plus or minus root of 64 minus 4 into 5 is 20 under root of 2a is 10. So we have minus 8 plus root 44 by 10 and minus 8 minus root 44 the whole divided by 10. And if we simplify it taking 2 common out, you will get minus 4 plus root 11 by 5 because the 4 comes out of the square root and becomes 2, and minus 4 minus root 11 by 5. Now the sum of these roots is, if you just add them up, you will get minus 4 by 5 plus root 11 by 5 minus 4 by 5 minus root 11 by 5. So these get cancelled. So you get minus 8 by 5 is the sum. And in terms of product, you're basically doing a plus b into a minus b. So you'll get minus 4 by 5 the whole square minus root 11 by 5 the whole square. So that gives us 16 minus 11 by 25, that is equal to 1 by 5. So this is the product of the roots. Minus 8 by 5 and 1 by 5 are the sum and product of the roots respectively. The question is asking us to prove that the sum and product of roots for any quadratic equation will be this and this respectively, minus b by a and c by a respectively. So all we need to do for this is to sum minus b by 2a plus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This we are summing with minus b by 2a minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So clearly these two cancel off and you are left with minus 2b by 2a. The 2 and 2 cancels off and you have minus b by a is sum of roots. And when we do the product, again it is in the a plus b into a minus b form. So we'll get minus b by 2a the whole square minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a the whole square, which gives us b square by 4a square minus b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. So that gives us b square minus b square plus 4ac by 4a square. B square minus b square cancels off. Then we have 4 going away, 8 a and a going away. So you are left with c by a. So this is the product of roots for a quadratic equation.